Hello, welcome back to Bill's Workbench. I have got a small RC car here that I saw on the YouTubes and thought, hey, I need one of those. It's from NRC Projects and not sponsored. I bought this with my own funds. So let's take a look at this model. I have not opened it yet. So we're looking at it together. Tires, little baby tires. All right. It's in a box. There it is. The K24 RC car. Looks like a little baby RC10, doesn't it? I think that's what they were going for. We're going to find out as we put it all together. So there's the back of the box with all of this stuff. Let's see what's inside. So we get the user's manual on the line. That looks like the wing to me. A sticker. Window things. Look at all these parts. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Trying to figure out they're all made out of. There's the transmission. Oh, look, it's got some metal gears in there. Oh, these look to be molded, not printed. That's nice. That chassis. Oh my goodness, look at all this stuff. And real turnbuckles. Well, I mean, you know, you can you know, adjust them while they're on the car. Very cool, very cool. These look like the shocks. Tops. Yeah, they have O-rings in them. There's the front. Here's the slip diff, or the slipper clutch, or whatever the heck it's called. More stuff. These look like bearings. Yeah, bearings. Probably wheel bearings. Axles. Screws. Wheels. I think these are 3D printed. They feel like resin to me. They did a great job. I mean, it's all top-notch stuff. Yeah. So that is all the parts. I have got some work to do. Good golly, I've got some work to do. Get this together. I am going to make you a video of putting this together like I've done with the Orlando Hunter build. So if you're interested in that, do the subscribe. Do all of the stuff. And yeah. I'm not going to open any of these bags because there's parts that could fly out all over the place. So yeah, I'm going to wait until I put it together to take it apart, put all these things in the right spots. Yep. Now that we've looked at all the parts, let's take a look at the instruction manual and see how this is going to be. Is this going to be an easy build or a more difficult build? Keep away from the little ones. Why? Because they'll eat the parts. But, you know what? Build it with the little ones. That's always fun. Don't over tighten. That's great. Great advice. Check for these kinds of different things. If the screw doesn't engage all the way, heat up the tip and stick it in. I have never done that. So, yeah, we may try that. These are all the tools you'll need. Here's the first thing you do is assemble the diff and the transmission. So let's take apart the diff and the transmission things. I have an extra bag that I've got from, the HDMI cable. Yes, I keep all the bags because these aren't zip locked. And that's, you know what, these don't need to be zip locked. Alright, let's look at the plastic pieces, shall we? These, to me, feel... Are they 3D printed? I think they are 3D printed. But they're very high quality. They might not be 3D printed. I don't know. They are high quality. You can buy the Shapeways parts online and 3D print your own parts if you want. Or replacement parts. The other things are bearings and all that other good stuff. I was mainly interested in these plastic parts, how nice they are. They feel kind of brittle, so I am going to take the time, I think, to pre-tap the holes if I use a machine screw to put these things together. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that. But yeah, I mean, everything's very high quality. All the parts are there. It's great. I am excited to get started with this build. Oh, I got this bag right here. I am excited to get started with this build. And I hope that you will be excited as well. If you're interested in one of these, I don't have any affiliate links or anything like that to get them. You can get them at the NRC Projects page, NRC Projects. And it took about a week to get here. It ships from England. And, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. You may want to watch the whole build series. I am planning on doing a step-by-step build series on this. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe, do all those things that you do. I'm almost up to 1,000. That would be great to get to 1,000. It's a nice milestone. So I will go ahead and plan this build series to see how many steps I think I can do. And there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you continue watching. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these kinds of build series, if you'd like to see more or less of them. If you like the format, let me know.